Hey everybody, it's Cameron with Surfboards.com. We're just back doing another pick pack video for you. Today we got Stefan in Jacksonville, Florida. He ordered a Billabong Exit Arch t-shirt, so not a pair of sandals today. Those are going to be an A2A8B, which is over on this side of the warehouse. So let's see if we can track it down. A2A is going to be at the end of the aisle. As a quick explanation, this is our A side of the warehouse. The other side is the B side where I always get sandals from. We got A1, A2, on the other side's A3 and A4, and then it goes A1A, A1B, A1C, A1D, so on and so forth, and they're all numbered as to what row or level that they are on. So that's a quick explanation of our binning system. But anyways, A2A8B is going to be right here, and we need Exit Arch Pink Haze XL. That looks like Pink Haze to me. There's an L, L, XL. Is it Pink Haze though? Sometimes you'll pull a shirt out like this thinking it's Pink Haze, and it'll be, you know, bright pink or bubblegum, and there'll be another one exactly like it in there. But it looks like we got the right one in this case. So. Then you can take a look down one of these aisles. You can see that that's the B1 aisle, then the B2 aisle, and then the B3 would be on the other side. B4 would be past that. So that's sort of how the binning system works. We got a B7 down there at the very end of the wall. But and then without giving away any of our friend Stefan's info, I'll show you how our pick tickets look as well. What I look for is I see somebody's looking for a Billabong brand Exit Arch t-shirt, the color and the size, and then down here it's going to tell me what bin I need to look for. It gives me a quick breakdown of the manufacturer part number, and then this is going to be the last 6 of the UPC. So I can do a preliminary check and see that 94442 is going to be the same as that there, so I can have a pretty good idea that I got the right item. But then to double check, we've got a barcode on our pick ticket here. I can scan the barcode. That's going to put that into the computer, and I can scan that. It's going to give me a green light, meaning I got the correct item. So that's kind of the quick breakdown of how our binning system works. When we print out orders, they don't print an order of who got what, or, you know, a bunch of the same shirt. They print in bin order. And our bins sometimes will be full of a whole bunch of the same shirt, and then other times they're going to be, you know, 50 different shirts in one bin. So when we get all of our pick tickets in the morning, you've got your B5s, then your B1s, then your B2s, then your B3s, and your B4s. That's not the exact order, but you get the idea. Like, you get to walk in a straight line, pick everything in that line, and then come back up, pick everything, and that really eliminates any wasted movement, I guess, picking. So anyways, sorry for the long-winded explanation of our shipping system and binning system, but I know that's interesting to some people who are doing e-commerce themselves. I watch a lot of YouTube shorts, as I'm sure a lot of people scroll those, and you get to see a lot of different ways that people do things. Well, at least us, because I see a lot of e-commerce stuff. So get some ideas from them, maybe have some ideas for them, but it's cool to see different ways of doing stuff. We're going to get a quick weight on this. It's light enough to go first class. Every order gets a free turtle sticker, which is awesome. And Stefan, your shirt is on the way. Ought to be there by the weekend. Hope you have a fantastic week, everybody.